ribbons, and certificates to our honored graduates.
The gold medallion is also awarded to Mark Jansoria, donor, Municipality of Batak. May we request our guest of honor and speaker to please award the medal. Another certificate from the National Movement of Young Legislators from Senator Francis Pangilinan and founding President, Vice Mayor Herbert Bautista, the National President. May we request SD Ronald Alan Malugda and Apo MacArthur Aguinaldo to please award the certificate and the medal. Youth Leadership Award, certificate and medal. Donor Philippine JSEX Incorporated in cooperation with the Department of Education and Senator John Osmeña. May we request the Honorable Vice Mayor. Excuse me. I'm sorry. There is a representative. SK Leadership Award. May we request special gift from Mr. and Mrs. Florante Magwal. With honors, the daughter of Mr. Ruben Aguilar. Brian A. Corpus with honors, son of Mr. and Mrs. Benjamin Corpus. We want to be given by the parents. Bronze medallion, donor Municipality of Batak. SK Leadership Excellence Award, donor Honorable Justin Lawrence Galusa. May we request our Honorable Sabrian Bayan Member, Apo Julieta Galusa, to please award the medal. Gold medal from Batak Junior College. May we request a Orange Cloud Award, the medal. Gold medal from Eureka High School. May we request Sabrian Bayan MacArthur Aguinaldo to please award the gold medal. Special gift, Mr. Nelson Dilus. Jose Maria C. Arcibal, with distinction. Daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jose Arcibal. Ribbon between by the parents. Bronze medallion, donor Municipality
May we request SD member Dr. Romigawa to please award the bronze medallion. Another gold medallion and certificate donor, Congresswoman IBR Marcos. May we request SB member Alan Lalukta to please award this medallion and certificate. Another certificate from the National Movement of Young Legislators, Senator Francis Pangilinan, County President, Vice Mayor Herbert Bautista, National President, and SB Ronald Alan Lalukta, Region 1 President. May we request Sir Aguinaldo. Another gold medal from the BJC. May we request the President of the BJC with distinction, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Benjamin Fiesta, ribbon to be pinned by parents. Bronze medallion, donor, Municipality of Balac. May we request SB member MacArthur Aguinaldo to please award the bronze medallion for the Municipality of Balac. Another gold medallion and certificate, donor Congresswoman IBR Marcos. May we request Dr. Amaris Sagigita Bellion to please award the medallion and certificate. Certificate from the National Movement of Young
Bakit
Legislators.
naka-record pati
To
sound
be
na may
awarded
record?
by SB member or SB Ronald Alan and Lalukta, Regional 1 President. A gold medal from the Batak Junior College. May we request the President of the Batak Junior College Alumni Association, SB member Dorencia Lago. Special gift, donor Mr. and Mrs. John Derek Mendoza. Mr. and Mrs. Oscar Otero. Ribbon to be worn by parents. Bronze medallion, donor, Municipality of Balac. May we request attorney or FP member Joel Garcia to please award the Breldo to please award this certificate. Another gold medal to be awarded by the Batak Junior College. May we request the President of the BJC Alumni Association, Mr. IFP member Florencio Lago, to please award the medal. A special gift by Mrs. Virginia Q. Kitoriano.
Anthony A. Usuken, with distinction, son of Mr. and Mrs. Lucio G. Usuken, ribbon to be pinned by the parents. Magda to award the medal. Gold medal and certificate. Donor Congresswoman Amy R. Marcos. May we request our guest of honor and speaker, Attorney Ferdinand Ignacio to this award, the medal and the certificate. Certificate from the National Movement of Young Legislators from Senator Francis Pangilinan. May we request that si Ronald Alan and Magda and S.B. Member Macaracura Ginaldo to this award, the certificate. Trophy, Mr. and Mrs. Cabunyan Pacetes, donor. May we request Mr. and Mrs. Cabunyan Pacetes to please award the trophy. Sinamakan na rin ako kay Suki Best in Photojournalism in Cebu National School Press Conference. Gold medal from Batak Junior College. May we request Vice Mayor Honorable Albert Chua to please award the medal. Special gift from Fiscal and Mrs. Bernardo P. Abrigos. Sorry, Mrs. Esther L. Bakir is the donor.
SP Member Joel Garcia to place award his bronze medallion. Another gold medallion and certificate, donor Congresswoman Ivy R. Marcos. May we request our guest speaker to place award his gold medallion and certificate. Another certificate from the National Movement of Young Legislators. May we request SP Member Ronald Alan Laluta and SP Member MacArthur Aguinaldo to place award this. Gold medal from the Batak Junior College. May we request the President of Batak Junior College Alumni Association to please award this medal. Special gift by Mrs. Maria P. Dumao. Bronze medallion, donor, Municipality of Batak. May we request Dr. Ramon Gawa to please award this medal. Gold medallion and certificate, donor, a special gift from Mr. and Mrs. Tyler Nguyen. Peter Andrew R. Bonpani, with distinction, son of Mr. and Mrs. Hipólito Bonpani. Ribbon to be pinned by parents. Bronze medallion, donor, Municipality of Batak. May we request SP Member Julieta Zarada Maruta to please award the medallion. Gold medallion and certificate from Congresswoman Ivy R. Marcos. May we request SP Member Joel Garcia to please award the medallion and certificate to Peter Andrew Bonpani. For you is right.
Honors. Cleofet P. Versosa, with honors. Jusel Maria C. Arcibal, with distinction. Phil Ansi Ruiz, with distinction. Javilu Fiesta, with distinction. Sheila Isabel Hugh, with distinction. Mary Elisel C. Luma, with distinction. Aldis Jane J. Alcoy, with distinction. Franz Charn M. Agbanlawa with distinction. Peter Andrew P. Volpane with distinction. Justin J. Aglipay, Tristan Ian Agres, Guilliam Luigi A. Alimbuyugen, John Carl Arcangel, Jason Balisacan, Wilnes K. Bartolome, Kevin Antoine Bulalayaw, John Paul Lulu, Mark Brian Mata, Warden Jake Misay, Maya Hasmin Alcantara, Althea May Kalakal, Charmaine Karina Capulong, Kate Christian Arnie de la Cruz, Christianine Estores, Rosel Angelica Flores, Andres James Tate, Rebalong N. Patrick, Ayay Michael, Palikaw Rando, Benson Justin AEC, Olo Philip Maro.
Parents of 60 graduates, please get ready.
Sixth grade, Balbas Mark Joseph, Bataan J. Anthony G. Bulong Mark Christian C. Tagal Alvin Nelson C. Nakayuran Mark Rainier A. Castro Marvin J. C. Benete Giovanni F. Glorias John Paul C. Coronel Mark A. G. Rhinos Mark H. I. Romo John Jason R. Romo Mark Devon P. Lanzarote J.R.I. Mahor Jubilor P. Morgania Mark Kenneth C. Alalay Ryan J.O. C. Kenken Gilbert A.R. Abreu L. Sakulias Ronnie N. Sagsaka Roosevelt C. Slupan Ronel G. Villahermosa Adonis J. Yadaw Ryan Q.
nagamangarap sa Sabog Pinang Nasyay.